Hello everyone, in this video, I will guide you through the process of adding audio in CapCut on your PC. There are a few different ways you can add audio in CapCut. Let's start with the first method. Simply head to the top left corner, click on Audio, and then select Music. Here, you'll find various music options to choose from. For example, you can click on Download, then on the plus button to add it to your project. You can adjust the audio position, change the volume, and adjust the length as needed. Now, for the second method, let me show you how to add audio from your computer. Return to Import in the top left corner. Click on Import. Locate the audio file you want to add. Then, drag the audio file into your timeline. You can make edits to it as needed. Lastly, you can also record voiceovers directly in CapCut. To do this, go to the right of the timeline and click on the microphone icon. A pop-up will appear. Click the recording button to start recording. Once you're done, click to stop. The recorded audio will appear in your project. Hello everyone, in this video, I will guide you through the process of adding audio in CapCut on your PC. That's it for now. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.